children. Now we are going to see the next part of the plant, that is nothing but the leaf. What leaf? Look here. What are all these? These are all leaves. So many types of leaves are there now. See here. Different shapes. Okay. Different what? Different shapes, different sizes. Okay. So the leaves grow on the branches of the plant. That you know, where the leaf will grow in a plant. It will grow on the branches of the plant. They are very important parts of the shoot. Okay. They are very important parts of the shoot. Shoot that we know, it is the upper part of the plant. The plant, water. It will grow above the ground. Okay. They are very important part of the shoot. Okay. Most leaves are green in color. So see here, most of the leaves are green in color. And we find leaves of different sizes and shapes. Okay. Different size. They are green in color as well as different size and different shades. Okay. The green color in the leaf is due to the presence of chlorophyll. What it is called? Chlorophyll. Okay. Why it is green in color? This is due to the presence of chlorophyll. That we will see later. What is this chlorophyll? That we will see later. Okay. So leaves grow on the branches of the plant, and these are all green in color and different shapes with different sizes. Okay. And the chlorophyll is the due to the what? Chlorophyll, the leaves are in green color. Okay, understood children? Now we will see the structure of the leaf. Look here. Look the leaf here. Look here. What is it? This is a leaf that grows on the branches of the plant. Okay, branches of a plant. Okay. So look here. This is the structure of a leaf. The broad part of the leaf is called the lamina. Look here, this is called the lamina or leaf blade. The broad part of the, look here, this is called the lamina. What it is called? Lamina or leaf blade. Leaf blade. Okay. The part is called the leaf blade. Okay. And the line inside it, that this is called the midrib. What it is called? Midrib. Okay. And the part which attaches the leaf to the stem is called the petiole. What it is called? Petiole. What it is called? Petiole. And from the midrib, the small the lines are there. No, these are all called the veins. What? These are all called the veins. Okay. Okay. So the broad part of the leaf is called the lamina or the leaf blade. Okay. This is the lamina. Okay, if you turn the leaf back and observe closely, you can see a long line running from the leaf stalk. Look here, this will start from the petiole to the tip of the leaf tip. Okay, this is called the midrib. What it is called? Midrib. Okay, and many veins arise from the midrib and form a network on the leaf. Look here, these are all called the veins and form the network of the leaf. Okay, and these are all actually tubes that carry food, water and minerals. Okay, look here, through these are all the tubes. Actually, what? These are all the tubes that carry food, water and minerals. Through this, the water. Through this, the food and water and minerals will be, the plant will carry the food, water and mineral to all other parts of the plant. Okay. So this is the structure of a leaf. Okay, understood children? It has the part which is called petiole, which connects the stem to the leaf. Okay, this part is called petiole, and the broader part of the leaf is called the lamina or leaf blade, and the line from the petiole to the leaf tip is called the midrib, and the small, these are all called the small lines, these are all called the veins. Okay, these are all nothing but tubes. Okay, inside the leaf which carries food, water and minerals. Understood children? Okay, now Look here, a leaf has tiny pores called stomata under. See, the downside of the leaf has a tiny pores. What it is called? Stomata. Stomata. Okay. We can't see it in what? We can see only through the microscope. We can't see as itself. Okay. Through the help of the microscope, we can see the stomata. Stomata is nothing but the tiny holes, tiny pores. Okay, in the water. If you see a leaf and if you turn the leaf, okay, in the down lower part, you can see the stomata. Okay, so the stomata help in breathing and also what? Yeah, the stomata help in breathing and also sending out extra water from the plant. Okay, through this stomata, what will happen? The plant will take in the air. Okay, and leave out the excess water from the plant. Okay, look here. What is this? Yeah, this is a plant. Look here, it has the what? Leaves. See, through the stomata, the air will enter into the plant and the excess water from the plant will leave out through this stomata. Okay, understood, children? So, the green part of the leaf takes in carbon dioxide and water and prepares food in the presence of sunlight. This process is called what? Photosynthesis. What it is called? Photosynthesis. This process is called what? Photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? Okay, what is the process by which the leaves prepares its food is called photosynthesis. Okay, the process by which the leaves, as I told before, the leaves prepare the food for the plant with the help of what? With the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide. Okay, with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll I told no, and the water. Okay, so with the help of all these things, the leaves produce the food. The green part of the leaf, that is the green part, what it is? Chlorophyll, takes in carbon dioxide and water and prepares food in the presence of light. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay, as I told no, the roots will absorb the water and the stomata will take in the air, and in the presence of water, in the presence of this carbon dioxide and water, okay, the air and water, in the presence of sunlight, the leaves will produce what? Prepare their food. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis. What it is called? Photosynthesis. Understood, children? So, the green part of the leaf, no, the chlorophyll in the what? Yeah, in the leaf, no, with the help of carbon dioxide and yeah, water, okay, with takes in carbon dioxide and water, in what? In the presence of sunlight, it will prepare the food. This process is called photosynthesis. Understood, children? So, this is the function of the leaf. Okay. So, this is the main function of the leaf.